Jotelo mopogore opogore migawo mar somo golo kwayo ne jonyuol mondo one ni girido kanda ewi yedhe mamero ji ma osebedo ka rocho ngima jopuonjre ahinya to mago mane sikunde sekondar kane wuoye kar chung' od bura ma Kitutu Church South kinde nyasi moro mar somo mane okelo kanyakla jok mane osomo e sikund jowuowi mar Cardinal Otunga. Jalup Chancellor ma mbalariany mamero Ramanus Odhiambo ojiwo ni lwenje kedo kod yedhe mamero ji en mano ma onywando jonyuol kod bede migepe mag sirikal. Gikwayo jochung' mamoko e sekta mar somo mondo osir lwedo chenro manyien mar somo mar CBE.
Second years. And because of raving and doing the wrong things when the future potentials. But I promise to be coming here every June, every year if I'm still alive. May God, there are many, many more.
You have realized that we are losing our children to drugs and many negative things. Some of them die at a very young age. Now the CBE main idea is to inculcate those three knowledge. That is the attitude, that is the skill, and the knowledge. Who on earth can refuse such a thing?
Our boys need somebody who can mentor them, who can tell them how they were doing it in the 70s, the 80s, that now there are people who are managing our country. But at the same time, for our Vice Chancellor, his source of the product still lies in Cardinal. So he has come here to trace the source. When the source is right, then the larger lever that he makes at the university would be okay.
Maadhiri mema hasa aliyopata hapa katika shule yetu ya Cardinal Otunga, kwanza kuomba asubuhi na mapema wanaenda chapel na kabla kulala kwenda chapel. Ndiye amesema hii ndio iliwasaidia kuwa wasiwe watu waraibu wa kutumika madawa. Na kitu alisema kuwa hapa kulikuwa na sheria moja ilikuwa inasema use common sense. Na hiyo ilikuwa inawafanyia ufanye kitu